you're going to need to double click on the icon that says BSL Pro. So Dr. Sarkar is going to click on that, and you wait and wait. There we go. Now close out this one that says Untitled. You won't need that, so he's going to close that out and click on File, and you'll notice down here you'll find some file names. Find the one that says Summer Reflex. Click on it, and then just full screen it. This is already set to go, so when you get ready to go, all you have to do is click Start. But to set up for this lab, you need to have some electrodes across the bicep and an electrode on the inside of your wrist. You'll notice I have some leads attached here. These are the leads that are in channel 1. The white and red, again, does not matter. It can be white here or red. Just put the other one here. The black is the ground, goes on the inside of the wrist. I also have some electrodes for my tricep. So I have some across my tricep, and I have an electrode on the outside of my wrist. Now these are attached to the set of leads that are in channel 3. So again, white and red, it does not matter across the tricep. You'll have the ground on the back of the wrist. Now when you get ready to do this, subject is going to hold their arm at 90 degrees. When your computer person clicks Start, all you're going to do is flex your elbow against a little bit of tension, or a little resistance. You're going to resist it yourself, switch, and then extend the elbow. Try to keep the same amount of resistance coming up and coming down. So Dr. Sarkar is going to click Start, and then I'm going to do.
So this is our Start button at the bottom here. So you will click here.
When you're done, you just click Stop. Now you notice it doesn't look like a lot. So what you should do is to hit Display Autoscale Waveforms, and you kind of see what you see across the screen here. Okay? So that's what we're going to be doing for this part of the lab. The second part of the lab is we're going to be doing an isometric contraction, because this was an isotonic contraction. For isometric contraction, you have a choice. You can push down on the tabletop this way, or you can push down on the tabletop that way. Okay? But remember, it's going to be an isometric contraction. So you should be already in it, pushing before you click Start. First, I want you to do, though, is I want you to think how the EMG is going to look like doing your isometric contraction, and then record it. So we're not going to record it because we want you to figure out what you're going to see. So when you click Start, I've already been doing this, trying to just push against the tabletop or trying to pull it up. That's all we're going to do. And then you're going to record it and suspend it and see and record what it looks like. And that's all you're going to do. Okay?